Have you ever turned off Google FamilyLink supervision and suddenly found your Android phone completely locked? If so, don't panic. This message does not mean your phone is broken, infected with malware, or permanently disabled. It is a security feature built into Google FamilyLink. The screen shown here displays the message, "Device locked because Ryan stopped supervision." This means that parental supervision on the device was removed or disabled. When this happens, Google may automatically lock the phone for up to 24 hours to prevent a child from immediately bypassing parental controls and gaining unrestricted access to the device. The large countdown timer on the screen shows exactly how much time remains before the device can be unlocked automatically. There are a few things you can do. First, look for the Parent Access button at the bottom right corner of the screen. If the device is still associated with a parent or guardian account, the parent can tap this button and sign in using their Google account credentials. After verifying their identity, Google may allow the device to be unlocked immediately without waiting for the timer to finish. If you are the parent or guardian, make sure you use the same Google account that was previously connected to FamilyLink. If the account information is correct, follow the on-screen instructions carefully until the verification process is completed. Once verification is successful, access to the device should be restored. If parent access is unavailable or you no longer have access to the supervising account, you may need to wait until the 24-hour countdown reaches 0. In many cases, the device unlocks automatically when the waiting period ends. During this time, only limited functions such as emergency calling may be available. So, if you encounter this screen, remember that it is not an error, not a virus, and not a hardware issue. It is simply a Google FamilyLink security measure designed to protect supervised accounts.